Exploring the phrase, long rest ahead, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, long rest ahead. Understanding phrases like this is crucial in mastering the English language. So, let's dive in and see what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Long rest ahead is a phrase that combines two words, long and rest. Long refers to something that takes a considerable amount of time or is extended in duration. Meanwhile, rest means a period of relaxing, stopping work or activity. So, long rest ahead implies that there is a significant period of relaxation or break coming up in the future. This phrase can be used in various contexts. For example, 1. Vacation planning. I can't wait for our summer vacation. There's a long rest ahead for us after this busy season at work. 2. Post-project completion. After we finish this project, we'll have a long rest ahead before the next one starts. 3. Retirement talk. My grandfather is retiring next month. He says he has a long rest ahead after years of hard work. It's important to note that long rest ahead can sometimes have a subtle or metaphorical meaning. For instance, in literature, it might refer to a final resting place, implying death or the end of a journey. However, in everyday conversation, it's typically used more literally and positively. Variations of this phrase include a long break ahead, extended relaxation coming up, a lengthy period of downtime. When using long rest ahead, be careful not to confuse it with similar phrases that have different meanings. For example, long-lasting rest might imply a permanent or very lengthy period of inactivity, which is different from a temporary rest period. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, long rest ahead, and how to use it effectively in different contexts. Remember, mastering such phrases will greatly enhance your fluency in English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.